We've done some mechanical fixes on this Polaris Ranger. Let's try to make it look a little bit prettier.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that. Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. We're going to be working on this Polaris Ranger 800. I believe it's a 2011. And my buddy picked it up. We did a few mechanical things on it, but we're going to try to make it look a little bit nicer. Let me show you the sticker package he got for it. So we picked up some stickers here. These look kind of like they pretty much fit everything here. It says 500, 800, 700, all of them, but some of these should fit on here. Obviously not all of them, but first thing we want to do is get the old stickers off, and they're pretty much just crumbling. So I think a little bit of heat with the heat gun and a scraper blade will get them off. And then we'll try to get this plastic to come back a little bit. As you can see, it's pretty well faded out. It should be more of this dark green instead of, there's the good contrast. Hopefully that light picks it up. And I'm sorry if the audio is not good. I'm having some audio issues. I'm trying to work through it. I'm a 10-year-old or 15, I don't know how old this thing is, old heat gun. We'll set her to low and see how these stickers come off. Got a razor scraper. They came off pretty decent, and let me zoom in there. You can see underneath there how much better the plastic looks. So maybe the first thing I'll try to bring this plastic back is just putting some heat into it. I've had pretty good luck with that on dirt bike plastic, so we'll try that on the hood section here. So just use the heat gun, lightly apply some heat. Take your time and watch it. Bring it in here. See how it's kind of coming back there? You got to be careful because you can burn the plastic. And it looks like it might be burning it a little bit. It's hard to tell. But you can definitely do this. You just got to take your time. I know the lighting isn't the best here. I'm working outside and we're kind of in the shade right now, but I think you can tell the difference. About 15 minutes spent on that hood, and you can see how it's got like some wavy stuff there. You know, the heat gets in one area and you can kind of control, it'll spread out, but when it cools it's going to leave those marks like that. Now I think what I'll do after this cools down completely is I'm going to hit this with some plastic polish, maybe on the buffing pad on the electric polisher, and see how that turns out. But dramatic difference, yeah, down there is kind of stock color. And maybe I'll do this side right here next just to see how that turns out. Up in here could be a little bit troublesome working around some of these things. I'll have to see if I can take that out. This I can probably squeeze inside, but we'll keep plugging away at it. Once you get the I call it the puddle, you know, because it heats up and it kind of turns liquid a little bit. You don't want to sit there and just melt it. You want just the top to look like it's kind of melting a little bit, and then you just move the heat gun and move that puddle and it'll just keep opening that up. But yeah, that's a pretty dramatic difference. Working on the dash a little bit. Let me show you how she goes. Nice, because I can sit down and do this. can see it kind of melts the top. And you can go back in after you do it once and do it again. Kind of bring it around. It'll make it even better. There you go. All of this looked like that a couple minutes ago. It's not perfect, but it's better. I mean, it's old plastic. It's been in the sun. You can see. But it's definitely better. It's not all chalky looking. I hit it with some of this plastics on the DA polisher there. It didn't really help much. Helped a little bit, but definitely looks better. I got the sticker off on the bed here, and I used some Goo Gone and some degreaser, my favorite there, super clean. Washed it up. We'll let this dry and hit this with some alcohol. Prep it up, put that sticker on, and then I'll prep this up with some alcohol as well. Put those stickers on. And I think that's the only ones that are going to go on there. Those 800s and these big Ranger stickers. I don't know where this other deal goes. Maybe that Quad Logic one I could put on the back. I don't know. Let's take a look. I think those Quad Logic ones maybe go right here. Maybe, huh? I could put Quad Logic right there. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe those other ones can go right there. Let's see. All-wheel drive on demand. Yeah, we'll see. They might fit there. They might not. Got some stickers on it here. On the back. I don't know what to do with them other ones, like I said. But overall, for a minimum investment, it looks a lot better. If you have more time than you have money, which a lot of us do, some of us don't have either, but replacing all these plastics would be very expensive. Painting is difficult and rarely turns out great. So get out the old heat gun and take your time. Turn on some tunes, and when you're done, install a nice sticker kit, and you'll have a transformed rig. It's not great, but better than it was. Alright, if you enjoy my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios. Edit to add. I found out where these things go. There you go. Looks pretty decent. Awesome.